In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Meta AI. The good news is that there's no separate account to create. Meta AI uses the same login you already use for Meta services, like Facebook or Instagram, so if you can sign in there, you're already set. Here's how to access it through the official website. On your computer or phone, open your browser and go to the official Meta AI page at ai.meta.com/getmetaai. It's important to use the official site to avoid any lookalikes or phishing pages, so double-check the address before proceeding. On that page, click Try Meta AI. This takes you to a screen where you'll choose to log in, select Login, and then pick the account you want to use. You'll see options like Facebook, Instagram, or Meta account login. Choose the one you already use most often. If you select Facebook or Instagram, you'll sign in with the same email or phone number and password you normally use for that service. If you pick Meta account login, use your standard Meta credentials there as well. Enter your email or phone number and your password carefully, just like you would when logging into Facebook or Instagram. There isn't a special Meta AI password. Meta AI simply relies on your existing login. After you submit your details, you may be asked to confirm the sign-in for security. This could be a verification code sent to your email or phone, or a prompt in your app. Have access to your inbox or device so you can complete that step quickly. Once your login is confirmed, you're in. You can start using Meta AI right away from the website. If you don't see Meta AI or the try button isn't available, don't worry. Availability can vary by account or region, so it may not have rolled out to you yet. In that case, check back later and make sure your apps and browser are up to date. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Always make sure you're on the official Meta domain before entering any credentials. Never share verification codes with anyone. And if you've forgotten your password, use the standard password reset for Facebook or Instagram. Resetting there will also update what you use for Meta AI. That's it. Go to the official site. Click Try Meta AI, log in with your existing Facebook, Instagram, or Meta account, confirm if prompted, and you're ready to go.